This follows the police's successful recovery of several valuables and properties that had allegedly been stolen from places of worship, including an SDA church and a mosque in Wakiso district over the weekend, leading to the arrest of 3 suspects.
There was a break-in at the Kavumba SDA church, that is in Wakiso Town Council, Wakiso district, where thugs stole music amplifier and other items on Saturday, 11th April. Our officers managed to recover the items from a nearby house, together with the property earlier stolen from a mosque.
While addressing the weekly security press briefing at the Naguru Police Headquarters this morning, the police spokesperson SP Rusoke Kituuma attributed the rising vice of breaking into and stealing from places of worship to complaisance and lack security at these centers.
You realize that these fellows targeted a mosque and then later targeted a church. You'll realize that most of these areas do not have security.
Rusoke also highlighted the growing unwarranted confidence that church administrators place in everyone within the congregation, whom they presume to be innocent and faithful. Yet some are cunning individuals with ill intentions, lacking to identify their targets.
Our church leaders and leaders of faith-based installations, churches, mosques, have a belief that people will not target their facilities because they are faithful. When we were growing up, it was the case. But we want to send the message that things have changed. The faithfuls now target these churches, mosques, because you can see Sechitoleko is Ronald, so most likely is Christian. Then there is one Robert, who also must be Christian. And they will not spare you, because we have trends that we have new trends in crime where people target these installations.
It's against this background that he urged all church administrators to step up security measures by installing closed circuit television systems, commonly known as CCTV, to prevent further escalation of the vice.
Our leaders keep tithe, they keep money there. So these fellows are aware. During prayer time, they come and do scanning in your areas. Then at an appropriate time, and most appropriately at night, they will come and hit you. So we are calling upon our church leaders that trends have changed. So if you deploy some security around your premises, it would do you good. You need to heighten security. So we urge you to do a little more. Can even install CCTV cameras